Okay, suppose there is a plane here. Equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is the plane here. So take point P as well as Q here. Take P and Q. So Q is the image of the point P here. They are already given its coordinate. Consider this point as x1, y1 and z1 here, and this point as x, y and z here. Okay. Here P is the image of the point Q. Then if you want to find the point P here, use the formula x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 divided by this b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c, that is equal to minus 2 into replace x by this x1, y by y1 and z by z1 here. So ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square here. In this example, they given here coordinate of a point here 0, minus 1 and a minus of 3. Equation of the plane is 3x minus of y plus 4z minus of 2, that is equal to 0. So use that part here. So therefore image of the point is given by x minus of 0 divided by 3 is equal to y minus of minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to z minus of minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to minus of 2 into bracket. So 3 into this 0, 3 into 0 minus of this minus 1 here, minus of minus 1, then plus 4 into minus of 3 minus of 2 divided by, so 3 square plus minus 1 square plus 4 square here. Therefore it is x upon the 3 here is equal to y plus 1 divided by minus of 1 is equal to z plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2 into bracket 0 plus 1 minus 12 minus of 2 divided by, so 9 plus 1 plus 16 here. Then simplify minus 14 plus 1 minus 13, minus 13 into minus 2 gives 26, 16 plus and 25 plus 1 becomes 26 here, 26 cancels, remaining is 1 here. Therefore coordinate of the point P is equal to 3 ones are 3 here, so write 3, then comma minus 1 into 1 becomes a minus of 1, take a minus plus 1 right hand side here becomes minus here, 4 ones are 4, so write here 4, take the 3 right hand side here, it becomes a minus of 3 here, so write here 3, then minus 2 and 4 minus 3 becomes 1 here. Hence coordinate of the point P becomes 3 minus 2 comma 1 here. So consider there is one point R here, they are already given here. Coordinate of the point R is 3 minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 minus 2 here. Okay, here you find area of this triangle. Okay, find the area of the triangle here. Therefore find your PQ as well as PR. So PQ is given by OQ minus of OR, OQ minus OP, OQ minus OP, that is equal to OQ minus of OP here. So 0 minus 3 here. So 0 minus of 3. Then minus 1 minus of minus 2 here. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. Then minus 3 minus 1 here. Minus 3 minus 1. It is minus of 3 here. Then minus become plus 2. 2 minus 1 becomes 1 here. 3 minus minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Therefore, we can write this one as a minus 3i plus j minus of 4k. OQ minus OPR. Then find your PR. So PR is given by OR minus of OPR. OR minus OP means 3 minus 3s. 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus of minus 2s. So minus 1 minus of minus 2, then minus 2 minus 1 yes. Minus 2 minus of 1. So that is equal to 3 minus 3 becomes a 0. Then it is a plus 1 and it is a minus of 3. Yes, so this can be written as a 0i plus j minus of 3k. It is a PR. So next PQ cross PR here. So PQ cross of PR is equal to determinant of Ij here. PQ is this vector here. Minus 3, then 1 minus 4 here. Then 0, so 1 minus of 3 here. Expand it here, therefore this is equal to I into 1 into 3 becomes 3 minus 4 ones are 4 minus plus 4 here. Minus of j, 3 3s are lying here, minus of 0 plus k, so minus 3 minus of 0 here. Yes, so this is equal to 4 minus 3 becomes 1. So I minus of minus j minus of 3k minus 3k. This is PQ. PQ cross PR. Then find its modulus here. Therefore, modulus of PQ cross of PR. Its modulus is given by root of 1 square is 1 here plus minus 9 square is 81. So right here 81 plus 3 square is 9 here. Therefore, this is equal to root of 91 here. Therefore, area of the triangle here. Area of a triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of PQ cross PR. PQ cross of PR. That is root of 91 divided by 2 here. Root 91 by 2 square units here. So first option is correct here. Root 91 divided by 2 is the answer here. The vertices B and C of a triangle ABC lie on the line here such that BC is equal to 5 units. Then area in a square units of this triangle given that the point A1 minus 1 2 is what here. So this is a diagram here. So this is a line here. They already given. Its equation is this here. Point A is 1 minus 1 2. Find area of this triangle here. Therefore, first you find D here. Okay. So consider this point as this line is equal to some constant here. Any point lies on this line is of the form. Okay. Take care of solution here. Let x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 1 by 0 is equal to z upon 4 is equal to ts. Okay. Therefore, any point lies on this line is so t into t becomes 3t minus to take this side here plus 2 here. 0 into t becomes 0, take minus on this side plus 1. 4 into t becomes 4t is any point lies on this line here. So here value of t depends on different points on the line here. Therefore, consider that point as a d itself here. Let d is equal to 3t plus 2 here, 1 and 4. Consider the point d as a 3t plus 2 and 1 4 here. Then find your direction ratios of this AD. Direction ratios of AD. direction ratios of AD are. So 3t plus 2 minus of 1 here. 3t plus 2 minus of 1. Then 1 minus of minus 1 here. 1 minus of minus 1. Then 4t here. Take care to the 4t. 4t minus 2. So 4t minus of 2 here. So these are the direction here. Here 2 minus 1 becomes 1 here. 3t plus 1 and it is a 2 here. Then the 4t minus of 2. This is 4t minus 2. These are the direction ratios of AD. And the direction ratio of this line BC are 3, 0, 4 here. Direction ratios given line. Three, 0, 4 here. Consider this one as equation 1 here. This equation of line here. Here AD and this line both are perpendicular here. Since AD perpendicular to the line 1 here. So therefore 3t plus 1 into 3 here. 3t plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 plus 4t minus 2 into 4. 4t minus 2 into 4, that is equal to 0. You are using the formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. You are using this formula. 3 these are linear. 9t plus 3, then 0 here. Opposite of 16, 16t minus of 8 is equal to 0. 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25t. So here. Okay. So there is a mistake here. Here if you take the plus to right side, it becomes a minus 2. So it is minus 2 here. Then here also it is a minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 becomes a minus of 3 here. It is a minus 3. Hence 3t minus of 3 here. Then it is a 3t minus of 3. Then the 3 is all 9 here. So minus of 9. Minus 9 minus 8 minus 17. Take minus 17 right hand side, it becomes 17 here. Hence t is equal to 17 divided by 25. The value of t is 17 by 25. Use this t value here. Therefore d is equal to 3 into 17 divided by 25, and here it is minus 2, minus of 2. So right here minus 2, then 1 and 4 into 17 divided by 25. Therefore this equal to 25 is the LCM. 17 into 3, 51 minus of 50. 25 to the 50. Then 1, 17 into 4, 68 divided by 25. So 1 divided by 25, 1 and 68 divided by 25. It is the coordinate of the point ds. Coordinate of point d is this one here. Next, use the distance formula for the AD height of the triangle here. Therefore, AD is equal to the distance of AD, height AD or altitude of the triangle. AD is given by 1 minus of this one here. 1 minus of 1 by 25, it's a square, then plus here. Then minus 1 here. So minus 1, it's a square plus 2 minus of this one here. So 2 minus of 68 divided by 25, it's a square. Therefore this equal to root of 25, 1 are 25. 25 minus of 24. 24 square is 24 square 26 here. Divided by 625. Then minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 square is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4 plus 4 here. 25 2s are 50. 50 minus 68 are minus 18. Minus 18 square is 324 here. 324 divided by 625. Hence this is equal to root of 625 LCM here. Root of 625 LCM 526 here. Then plus 625 goes up 2500. Then plus 324 324 key value there. Then this equal to root of sum of this term gives 3400 divided by 625. Therefore this is equal to root of 100 into 34 divided by 625. So 10 root of 34 divided by 25. Then 5 2s are 10 here. Then 5 5s are. Yes, altitude of this triangle is 2 root 34 divided by 5. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC, area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC into ADF, 1 upon 2 into BC is 5 here, they are already given here, and AD is 2 root of 34 divided by 5. 2 2 cancels, 5 5 cancels, root of 34 square units here. It is the area of the triangle is root 34.